students, today's class we will discuss about finding product of prime numbers. Product of numbers in prime factors. Okay. For example, 12. How to find product of prime factors? 2, 6, 12. 2, 3, 6. 3 is also prime number, 2 is also prime number. So 12 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, we'll start our exercise 1.2. In this first one, express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. I'll explain only one, rest of them you have to do. Second one. 156. 2 sevens 14, 1 will be left. 2 8 16. 2 3 6, 1 will be left. 2 9 18. 13 is also a prime number. So 156 can be written as product of prime factors 2 into 39. Is it understood? Rest of the 3 sums you have to do. Next, second bit. Find LCM and HCF of 12, 15 and 21 by prime factorization method. Okay, 12, 15, 21. 12 can be written as 2 6, 2 3s. 12 can be written as 2 into 3. Next, 3 5 is 15. 5 is prime, 3 is prime. Therefore, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 7 is 21. 7 is prime, 3 is prime. 21 can be written as 3 into 7. How to find HCF? You see here, observe carefully. In all the 3, what is common? 3, 3, 3. So 3 will be HCF. LCM, all the terms you have to write. 2 square into 5 into 7. This 3 is repeating in all the cases. So you have to write only 1 3. Is it understood? Okay, second one in that only. For better understanding, I am explaining 17, 23 and 29. Now you say me whether 17 is a prime number or not, 23 is a prime number or not, 29 is a prime number. All the 3 are prime numbers. So 17 factors will be 1 into 17. 23 factors will be 1 into 23. 29 factors will be 1 into 29. So what happens to HCF? 1. What will be LCM? 17 into 23 into 29. Is it clear, children? Next, third one. 8, 9 and 25. 8. 2 4s 8. 2 2s. 9 can be written as 3 3s. 25 can be written as 5 5s. Okay, 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 9 equal to 3 into 3. 25 equal to 5 into 5. In all the 3, can you see anything common? Nothing is common, means 1 will be the common. LCM is, HCF is 1 and LCM will be 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. I think students you understood how to find LCM and HCF. Another question, fourth one. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is composite number. First say me, what is composite number, ma? Composite number means it will have more than 2 factors. Okay. In this anything you can see common. 13 is common, take it out. 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1, right? So for this product, whatever it may be, you are having more than 2 factors, right? Therefore the given number is composite number. In this only second one, same. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. You can see anything common, 5. If you take 5 common, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, right? So it is also having more than 2 factors. So therefore given number is composite. I think students, you understood how to show the number is composite. Composite in the sense it will have more than 2 factors. Okay, your homework for today is find HCF and LCM for 72 and 108, 306 and 657. Second question is, show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 13 into 11 into 5 is a composite number. Okay, thank you, ma.